If you've been wondering whether Mailchimp or Moosend is the better option for email marketing, you're not alone. With both platforms offering strong features, deciding which one delivers more value can be a challenge. In this video, we'll break down their strengths and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision. Stick around till the end, as I'll reveal an even better alternative that might surprise you. Let's start with Mailchimp. As one of the most well-known names in email marketing, Mailchimp has built a reputation for being user-friendly. It offers a generous free tier, which makes it a solid choice for small businesses or those just starting out. The platform also boasts powerful automation tools, analytics, and a variety of templates. But the catch? Once you grow your list beyond 500 subscribers, Mailchimp's pricing can quickly get expensive, especially when you start using premium features. Next thing, let's talk about Moosend. Moosend is a newer player in the email marketing space, but it's quickly gaining attention for its competitive pricing and feature set. Like Mailchimp, it offers a free trial, but what stands out is Moosend's simplicity and focus on automation. The platform provides email marketing automation workflows, segmentation, and real-time reporting without the steep price tag that comes with scaling your email list. Moosend also shines with its ability to integrate with multiple platforms, which is a big plus for businesses looking to streamline their marketing efforts. The third thing we need to mention is email automation. Mailchimp's automation features are decent, but when compared to Moosend, it starts to feel a little rigid. Moosend offers more customizable workflows, making it easier to set up automation that fits your specific needs. For example, Moosend allows you to create automated campaigns based on user behavior and set more detailed triggers, giving you better control over your email marketing. Next, let's talk about user interface. Both platforms have intuitive dashboards, but Mailchimp can sometimes feel a little overwhelming with all its features and settings. The free plan also limits you to certain functionalities, forcing you to upgrade if you want access to things like A/B testing or advanced analytics. Moosend, on the other hand, keeps things simple without sacrificing functionality, making it a great choice for users who want something more straightforward. The fifth thing to keep in mind is support and resources. Mailchimp offers solid customer service and an extensive knowledge base. However, their free tier users don't have the same access to support as paid plans do, which can be frustrating if you run into issues. Moosend provides solid support as well, and what I really like is their customer service responsiveness, especially when compared to Mailchimp's higher wait times. Finally, while both Mailchimp and Moosend offer value, it's hard to ignore the cost-to-benefit ratio. If you're looking to scale your email marketing efforts without breaking the bank, Moosend is likely your best bet. It offers more value at a lower price point, especially if you don't need all of Mailchimp's advanced features or if you want to avoid paying more as your list grows. Now, Mailchimp versus Moosend. Which email marketing platform offers more value? It really depends on your needs. If you're just starting out, Mailchimp's free plan is a solid option. But if you're looking for a more affordable long-term solution that doesn't compromise on features, Moosend stands out. Of course, both platforms are solid choices, but after testing both extensively, if you're looking for something that delivers great value, then take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity.